Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix your IT administrator has limited access on your Windows 11. So first of all, right here, you just need to go in the search bar at the bottom and we're gonna search for the Task Manager. So tap Task Manager, then open the app. Then here we just have to click on the Run a New Task right there at the top. So click on that one. And then what we're going to do is click on the Browse button at the bottom right. And it will show you all the folders here. So we're gonna find this PC. And we're gonna open the Drive C. And from here, we're gonna look for Windows folder. And then from here, we're gonna look for System 32. So we're gonna search for it. Scroll down to the bottom and search the System 32 folder. So double click and then find the CMD. You can type on your keyboard CMD to find that CMD.exe file, and then double click this one. Now once you click and open, just click on this checkbox right there, and we're gonna click on this OK button, and it will open up your CMD. Once you open this, now we're gonna type all the command prompt right here. So I will paste it on the description below. So here we're gonna copy this. So copy all of these command prompts. So right click and then click on copy. And to paste it on the CMD, you just need to go on the bar at the top. So right click there and then click on the edit and click on paste. So as you can see, it is paste now on the CMD. And then you just need to hit enter, and once you've done, just need to type exit to exit this CMD. So with this, it should be fix your error issue on your Windows 11. And finally, just need to restart your computer to confirm all the changes. So that's it. That's how you basically fix your IT administrator has limited access on Windows 11. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.